this is Rachel. Today I'm gonna show you our DL33 HDD Drilling Machine. This machine equipped with Cummins engine and pump hydraulic pump, which guarantee high reliability, strong power, efficient and smooth operation. Besides, the mud pump of this machine is equipped with 400-liter large volume mud pump, which can easily handle complex structure. In addition, the rotation and thrust system of this machine equipped with Danfoss 8-inch motors, which ensure high reliability, less energy loss, and high durability. The last one I want to say is that you can also equip with auto rod blocks and auto anchoring, which will greatly improve working efficiency and save labor force. Anyway, whether it is a pipeline laying construction, communication cable construction, or complex construction across highways, rivers, choose our DL33 ton. We will offer you with strong force, high reliability, and great flexibility.